Bok Choy, how superfood will change your health. Imagine if there was a single vegetable that could strengthen your bones, boost your immune system, sharpen your vision, protect your heart, and even fight cancer. Sounds too good to be true? Meet Bok Choy, the underrated superfood that can literally change your life. Stay with Be Health, because you're about to discover the shocking health benefits of Bok Choy, and why you need to add it to your diet today. Why you need Bok Choy in your diet. A. Build unbreakable bones. Do you want strong, fracture-proof bones? Then start eating Bok Choy today. This superfood is loaded with key minerals and vitamins that support bone health, keeping you active and injury-free. Here's why Bok Choy is a must-have in your diet. 1. Rich in calcium, copper, and zinc. These essential minerals play a crucial role in maintaining bone density and preventing fractures. Calcium is the building block of bones, copper helps with bone formation, and zinc supports bone tissue repair. Together, they work to keep your bones strong and resilient. 2. High in manganese, the collagen booster. Manganese is a vital mineral that stimulates collagen production. Collagen acts as the structural foundation of bones, keeping them flexible and resistant to stress. Without enough manganese, bones can become brittle and prone to fractures. Including Bok Choy in your diet ensures your body has the necessary nutrients to maintain healthy bones. 3. Loaded with vitamin K, the osteoporosis fighter. Vitamin K is a game changer when it comes to bone health. It plays a key role in bone mineralization and helps prevent osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures. Research has shown that people with low vitamin K levels are more likely to experience bone fractures. By consuming Bok Choy regularly, you can significantly reduce this risk and maintain strong, healthy bones. 4. Scientific backing. The proof is in the research. Studies have consistently shown that adequate vitamin K intake is linked to improved bone density and a lower risk of fractures. If you want to stay active and protect your bones from age-related deterioration, incorporating Bok Choy into your diet is a smart move. B. Supercharge your immune system. Want to stay healthy and energized all year long? Bok Choy is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that help fortify your immune system and keep illnesses at bay. 1. Boosts white blood cell production. Your immune system relies on white blood cells to fight infections and harmful invaders. Bok Choy contains vital nutrients like vitamin C and folate, which stimulate white blood cell production, reinforcing your body's natural defenses. The more efficient your immune system, the better it can protect you from common ailments. 2. Shields against colds, flu, and infections. Getting sick often can be frustrating and exhausting. Luckily, Bok Choy is rich in immune-boosting antioxidants that help combat seasonal colds, flu, and bacterial infections. By adding this leafy green to your diet, you can strengthen your body's ability to fight off illnesses, keeping you active and healthy. 3. Protects against respiratory diseases. Struggling with allergies or respiratory issues? Bok Choy is loaded with vitamin A and vitamin C, two powerful nutrients that support lung health and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption can help protect against respiratory diseases, improve lung function, and make breathing easier. 4. Keeps fatigue and weakness at bay. If you often feel tired, sluggish, or fall sick easily, your immune system might be in need of a serious boost. Bok Choy provides a natural and delicious way to fuel your body with essential vitamins and minerals, ensuring you stay strong, resilient, and full of energy. C. Say goodbye to vision problems. Tired of blurry vision and eye strain? Bok Choy is a natural vision protector that helps maintain sharp and healthy eyesight. 1. Packed with beta-carotene and vitamin A. Bok Choy is rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are essential for maintaining good vision. These nutrients help improve night vision, enhance overall eyesight, and prevent dryness or irritation in the eyes. 2. prevents macular degeneration and cataracts. As you age, your eyes become more vulnerable to conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. The antioxidants in bok choy help slow down the aging process of eye cells, keeping your vision sharp and clear for longer. 3. Fights oxidative stress in the retina. Daily exposure to screens, pollution, and UV rays can lead to oxidative stress in your eyes, contributing to vision deterioration. Bok choy's high antioxidant content helps combat this stress, reducing the risk of age-related vision loss and protecting your retinal health. 4. Perfect for screen-heavy lifestyles. If you spend hours in front of a computer or phone, your eyes are constantly under strain. Including bok choy in your diet can help nourish and strengthen your eyes, reducing fatigue and keeping them in top condition. D. Protect your heart like never before. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, but the good news is, bok choy can help keep your heart strong and healthy. 1. Lowers homocysteine levels. High homocysteine levels can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. Bok choy is rich in folate and vitamin B6, which help lower homocysteine levels, protecting your arteries and maintaining smooth blood flow. 2. Boosts red blood cell production. Your heart works best when your blood is oxygen-rich. Thanks to its high iron and folic acid content, bok choy supports red blood cell production, ensuring your heart and body get the oxygen they need to function efficiently. 3. Regulates blood pressure and reduces stroke risk. Bok choy is a natural source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce strain on your heart. Combined with its powerful antioxidants, this leafy green helps lower the risk of stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. 4. Strengthens your heart for the future. Taking care of your heart now means a healthier, longer life. Adding bok choy to your diet is a simple yet effective way to support cardiovascular health and ensure your heart stays strong for years to come. E. Unlock radiant, youthful skin. Forget expensive skincare products. Bok choy is your natural beauty secret for glowing, youthful skin. How does it work? Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, fights wrinkles, dark spots, and blemishes. Boosts collagen production, keeps skin firm, smooth, and hydrated. Fights acne and inflammation, thanks to its high levels of vitamin A and zinc. Want to look 10 years younger? Eat bok choy daily. F. The secret cancer-fighting superfood. Did you know that bok choy has powerful anti-cancer properties? Here's how it fights cancer. Flavonoids and saponins neutralize free radicals and slow down tumor growth. Sulfur compounds prevent DNA mutations that cause cancer. Linked to lower risk of lung, breast, skin, and prostate cancer. Want to lower your cancer risk? Bok choy should be on your plate. G. Naturally lower high blood pressure. Struggling with high blood pressure? Bok choy is a natural solution. Here's why: high in potassium, balances sodium levels and regulates blood pressure. Relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation and reduces stroke risk. Supports heart health, lowers cholesterol and prevents artery blockage. Swap processed foods for bok choy, your heart will thank you. H. The ultimate anti-inflammatory weapon. If you suffer from chronic pain, joint issues, or inflammation, bok choy is your natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. How does it work? Rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, fights inflammation at the cellular level. Loaded with selenium, boosts immune function and reduces oxidative stress. Protects against arthritis, joint pain, and autoimmune diseases. Ditch the painkillers. Bok choy is your all-natural relief. Bok choy is more than just a vegetable, it's a health changer. Stronger bones, a strong immune system, sharp eyesight, a healthy heart, clear skin, and even anti-cancer properties, all in one superfood. Don't wait for health problems to appear. Take control now. Add bok choy to your diet today and feel the difference. Subscribe for more health tips and superfood secrets. Like, share and comment. What's your favorite way to eat bok choy? See you in the next video. Be healthy, be happy.